6 plus 2 gives us 8. 2 square equals 4. So 4 times 8 is just 32. And 32 divided by this, 32 divided by 32 equals 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do these parentheses. Okay, and after this parentheses we have one division, one exponent, and one multiplication. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics when a number is placed next to parentheses it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so first this parentheses, then this exponent, then this division, and finally this multiplication. Okay, if you do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have 6 plus 2, which gives us 8. Okay, so 32 divided by 2 square, then times 8. Now we have to do this exponent. 2 square gives us 4. So we have 32 divided by 4, then times 8. Now we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, we have to work from left to right. Okay, so first 32 divided by 4, which gives us 8. And 8 times 8 is just 64. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 64.